Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Clean glass. Rosie mentioned his windshield earlier and the off-gassing from the vinyl inside, but you don't realize how great clean glass is. And sometimes you don't realize how dirty it is until you're driving into the sun or it's reflecting off, and then you wash it and you're like, wow, this is incredible. I can see.
Yes, it makes a big difference there. Yeah.
And you had mentioned sunscreens going into the break. That's something y'all will take off and address those as well, because those can be worse than the glass sometimes.
Most definitely. Those are just basically there's filters. Dirt hits them and then it just holds on to it and keeps it in between the window and the screen, especially sunscreens. So we definitely have a process for that where we will remove your screens, we clean them, brush them, get rid of most of all the loose debris, and then we'll scrub them and put a product on them that eliminates the dirt, and then also we'll add a little bit of protection to them as well.
And that sunscreen material itself, even the best top-of-the-line stuff, maybe 15-year lifespan, maybe.
Maybe, yes. Especially out here.
Yeah. On the south or west-facing side, too.
Yes.
When you get to one that's just too old, do y'all work with a sunscreen company? Do you screen them yourself, rescreen them yourselves on site? How do you...
We work with a couple companies that we have. So basically, we'll let you know if you want to handle. If it's a lot of them, if it's one or two, we can talk to the company ourselves and take them with us and bring them back to you. It's not a problem. But if you're looking to get more of them done, we'll give you the information and you can definitely contact them. And yeah, it makes a huge difference once you because they get so brittle out here too. So you try to clean them and they can just tear
apart
on you right away. Yeah.
Been there more than once.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.